If you don't know how to get till this step, I will leave link below this video and here as well, so you can see full tutorial how to finish your embroidery to the brooch. There you will find another way how you can finish the edge of embroidery with seed beads. For this tutorial you will need threads, so gray, then embroidery needle. I have this kind of embroidery hand sewing needles. You will need to divide thread in a half, so I have 6 threads and I just split it to the half, and I will have 3 and 3. Make a knot. Then first of all we will need to secure our thread. I will find the place from where I will start, and I just pass to the felt. I need to hide my knot inside my embroidery in between felt and leather. As well, if you are interested how to create a poodle brooch, I have tutorial as well on my channel. I will leave the link below this video and here as well, so you can make this brooch from scratch. So we have finished to secure our thread. Come out from felt this way, and you just sew together 2 parts. Every stitch should be very next to the previous one. If you can't do it with the hand, just help yourself with pliers. And you all the time make stitches. You pierce leather, you pierce felt, and you sew them together this way. Try make all stitches next to each other and in one line. As you can see from this side, it is almost not visible how we finish the edge. This technique is very good for brooches where you don't want to add extra volume. This technique even will be better if you want to use only felt. I mean, if you want to use a felt for backside as well. I have here leather, but you always can experiment, and maybe you will find the best option for you. It is a felt or eco leather. Always keep on trying some new stuff, and like that you will find the best way how you will create your own creations. Only trying new stuff you can find your uniqueness. Continue the same while you will finish your edge. I will be back to you when my edge will be finished. I have finished my edge. Now I will have to cut this thread. I will pass with the same needle and thread inside my embroidery. I will go here and there with my thread and needle, and then I will cut it. My brooch is ready. This technique is a bit longer than when you finish the edge with seed beads. If you don't want to make your embroidery bigger than it is, this technique will be the best. Thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like it. Have a lovely day. Bye!